Amit Dolawat. You were trained as a theatre actor before you got into the mainstream and have performed at the most prestigious festivals like NSD's Bharangam, Prithvi Theatre Mumbai, Habitat Center, and many, many more. And now you are the face of quite a few brands like Asian Paints, Franklin Templeton, Muthoot Finance Gold Loans, and many, many more. Last year, you made your debut on the big screen with the film Mahiru. Is that the right pronunciation? Mahiru?
Absolutely.
Yeah,
Yes,
as
ma'am.
the lead, and then you were launched in Marathi films with the film Athang. Over the years, you have proven your versatility and skill as an actor by easily switching mediums. You have worked in the famous thriller called Dev, The Great Escape, Rezangala, Horn OK, Please. Thank you so much, Amit, for being here with us today.
Completely, yes, because my grandparents were very protective. At the same time, I was in a mixture of my uh, all my mausies, my mama, my grandparents. Everybody was there, and everybody was taking care of me. There was a health situation, so I was extra care was taken. And when I came to Bombay, also, I would say that as a kid, I'm today while talking to you, I realized that my grandparents have somehow had a sense of protecting a kid. So they have invariably put something in me and all my cousins who've stayed with them, that we have a sense of, when you talk about a safe space, a sense of energy about कोई अंकल आए तो उनके गोद में तो नहीं बैठने का मन है, और and some people you connect, you feel so about a sense of energy about somebody, for the lack of a better word, being over smart. So that sense has always been there कि ये गंदी बात है. So I'll have to take that responsibility in terms of whatever way I can, and uh, we would love to do our best to uh, make the kid talkative, in terms of talkative to us, that पूरे दिन में क्या हुआ, about while
Brilliant.
starting with.
I think you have
Yes.
done, you have said two most important things over here, which I want every parent to take cognizance of, which is to create an environment where your child is able to come and speak to you about anything without
Yeah.
hesitation, without shame, without fear, without judgment. And that's the safe space that you will create for your child. And the
Yes.
second thing, the most important thing that you have said as a parent is that you will take accountability and responsibility for securing the environment for your child. However, you
Absolutely.
do it, it is your responsibility and your accountability and not the burden of the child. कि बच्चे को खुद
Absolutely.
देखना पड़ेगा कि मैं कैसे safe हूँ या नहीं हूँ. You will take that responsibility. So I think these are two things that every parent who's watching this should actually take note of and cognizance, because it's most important that the children are able to come and talk to you openly.
Yeah.
And that, I think, is the definition of what is a safe space.
काफी है मैम, मुझे लगता है काफी है. विद आपके से वही घुमा के मैं वही बात बोलूंगा कि आपके साथ रह के मुझे इसके बारे में बहुत ज्यादा डिटेल में पता चला. Whatever people I have come across are not in any kind of probably financial or career or relationship difficulties at the moment. They are doing fantastically well in every aspect of their life. Some of them are 50, some of them are 40, some of them are 30. Yet that wound is still there, and they probably made peace with it, or they've taken it as an episode that happened in their life, and that has changed them forever.
What I understand from you is you spoke about people that you know who have been through it at the age of 30, 40, 50, who are now 30, 40, 50. So we are talking about the prevalence being not just now, not just recent history, but it's something which has been
Forever.
there
Forever.
forever.
If it is somebody I know, like probably on my same floor or something, where I see a behavioral pattern, I would see which of the parent I'm comfortable with, who I have known a bit, who's a little bit comfortable talking to me. I would first present myself that I know a little bit about this. This is what my background in the whole thing is, and there are certain patterns that happen, and I would like you to check with your baby if there's something that is going on with your baby. So I would bring in awareness a couple of times. You have to be very precise, and of course first step is to not letting the person know that I'm invading your space, or I'm paying too much attention into your family. In a very subtle way, on the surface, present it to somebody who I think is sensible in that family, that please, you need to check, observe it for a bit. If it doesn't happen, then very subtly get in. I am thankfully know you, and I, these days there are child helplines, very subtly get in touch with the child helplines, because they are more well versed, and there is a lot of research that has gone into these things, and they exactly know the patterns के क्या reactions किसके आने वाले हैं और उसको कैसे deal करना है. So these are the immediate two things that I would probably do. If the person is trust me and ask me how to go about it, which rarely happens in today's times, I would like to guide him by taking somebody like you, or the child helpline in on a call or something like that. But otherwise, yes, these are the two steps that I would take. So, as a sister, the sister would probably, in a very subtle way, bring it across to him that this is not acha. Not by saying ke bahut ganda hai, not by this thing, but on a very nice way, first and foremost, putting a break to it by saying this is not to be done. And the next time Chachu tells you to do it, you tell me first. You say Didi ko bula raha hu. And then going probably to the father or somebody in, like I said, somebody in the family, and if it is within the same family, I think it needs to be confronted. There's no need to wait and think and मैं उससे पूछूं इससे पूछूं. It has to be upfront confronted. If it is in the, like I said, I'm responsible for my house, my room, so it needs to be confronted. If it was my house, yes, Chachu would have been confronted. No, I would take Chachu to this. First and foremost, I would make a call to this child rescue helpline, and I would take a guidance from them. Because taking Chachu to a police, there are different laws about different things, and these things go anywhere. And before the matter becomes too stale, and it can be turned around and bent and twisted and this and that, I would immediately like to go to a helpline like this, whereby I put my facts straight in a very subtle way, in a very uh, um, uh, I don't know if it's a right step or a wrong step, in a very subtle way, without my baby knowing, or without the baby knowing. Record the baby on a video in a very conversational manner when the memory is fresh, and then that's it. That video is there, because that is the first experience that comes out of the baby. Because later on, when the babies think and something goes here, something goes there, the mind wavers and different stories come. So for that moment, when the memory is fresh, in a very nice way, record it and keep it, so that if I need it for the records in terms of this child helpline or anything, the facts are straight put. Because going to a police at that moment, unless things get violent and aggressive, of course you need police. But I think the right way to go about it is this.
Great.
Then let them decide whether these people want to divert it to the law at that moment itself, or they want to divert it to a counselor, or they want to divert it to, because I think the law is becoming more and more, it is coming to, I would not say stronger, but I have a strong feeling that it is coming together in a very strong way. And very soon we'll have something which will be very specific and very easy, like you call 100 for anything that happens. I would love for it, and I would love to contribute for it, whereby there is a number where I can straight away call saying tuck 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 tuck. I don't even need to give my name. This is what I sense happening here. Simple.
Yeah, we have the
And
child
that's-
line. Yes,
Yes.
the child line
Yes.
is for
Ma'am, I'm fortunate, and I'm very fortunate to be part of this industry, whereby I can create something that millions of people can watch. So I would always incorporate this aspect that you're talking about henceforth in like if they say as an actor you're doing this, what are the other missions or what are the other things, other areas of your life that you would like to work on? So I would always like to incorporate this, that I would like to do my bit in terms of creating content, or probably getting, if I'm getting an opportunity to address an audience or say anything anywhere, do anything, act for free for some cause like this, whereby I can create awareness about this, where it makes it a safe space for a kid. I would love to do my bit. Active nature. So to me, the sense of a safe space is a room which is lit. Harmony everywhere. Thank you. Grateful, blessed, and lots of love. I am a Rakshan.
Thank you, Amit. Thank you so much.
Thank
Have
you
a
very
good
much,
evening.
ma'am. It was
Have
nice
a
being
good
here.
evening.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.